This is literally the photo my dad sent me for directions.
The reason I was leaving was because on Friday afternoon, I'd just gone back from uni and was on the phone with my parents. I was still adjusting to living alone and in such a small space, but hey, don't get it twisted, I'm grateful for it. It's just I hadn't surfed in weeks and I was sweeping every 2 seconds because of all the fucking dust in the air. When my dad mentioned a place he used to escape to 40 years ago. It was 5 hours from Cape Town and had a secret wave, but he wasn't sure if you could still get there.
It's getting real now.
A little suggestion, no flooring and don't break hard wheels yet.
And that's when it clocked my mind for the first time. We were about to take my cousin's Ford Fiesta on a coastal 4x4 route.
That's gnarly. I don't want it. That will fuck us up big time.
Oh, there's no way.
Look, are you sure we're not going the wrong way? Because the further we go, the
Do you
rocker.
really think an oak that would know where he's going is fucking looking at Google Maps like this?
If you're a rock star, porn star, superstar, doesn't matter what you are, get yourself a good car, get out of here. Well, put the boys in the better land. You're always talking about the boys in the better land. Oh my God! The boys in the better land.
Oh,
No leak though.
it has the sludge.
No, that's a
No,
spit.
that's me, bro.
He's just like, look
Is
at
it
it, looking
bubble?
quite like low.
But I think that might just be the weight.
You're right.
So we weren't entirely sure if the tire was deflating or not, so we thought it'd be a better idea to keep moving, find a place to camp, and get dinner ready before it gets dark.
This is 100% poacher ground.
So yeah, the weather didn't turn out as good as we thought it was going to turn out.
This is the thrifted tent.
We found a tent.
Where Daniel and Bryce are Dorsey.
Set up, boys. Fucking tight. Tight.
Yeah, we
That is
packed
an
in, yeah.
understatement. Nah, it's only pretty from the front.
Okay. Give me the back. Man.
It's rough.
Isn't it missing a pole?
Nah,
Crazy, bro. I don't know.
there's no more poles.
A little sundowners, eh? Wow. Gorgeous sunset.
Yeah.
You told me that Nick was bringing a grid.
You told me Nick was bringing a grid.
I didn't tell you. From
We
you.
were carrying. You told me.
So no one has a grid.
We didn't have a grid, which meant we couldn't make food. And I wouldn't say it was anyone's fault in particular, but luckily.
6:30, bro. Are you joking?
6:30.
Now you'll be fine. Don't worry, bro.
I'll
come save
will
you.
come fetch you.
I'll come save you. Yeah, exactly, bro.
Okay, just drive safe.
No, seriously, drive safe.
Our one friend was still on the way, which meant he could get us the grid so we could eat. Only thing is, there was no way he could navigate the route at night by himself. It was time to go rescue Luke.
You're always talking about the boys.
See you in a bit, eh?
Wait, just watch out for the rocks, eh?
We're gonna go fix our
Red light. I can't see the road.
Side note, I was pretty sauced by this point.
No, it's crazy, bro. Look at this. It's like deep.
And for some reason, after a few beers, I started to talk like a butt.
Pizzarani time, bro. Lukey, bro.
How's it?
Look at the grid in the back. Let's go.
Bro, I got to live by the mayor of the town.
You are joking.
I'm literally rolled up and I was like walking along the street and there were some flipping weirdos and I was like, nah, I'm not going into ShopRite.
Yeah.
Just. Then I turned around and asked this lady for directions. Bro, she's the mayor of the town. And I'm like, what is going on? So yeah, then she
Crazy, bro.
that's the only reason why we have the grid, bro.
Let's go,
Bro,
brother.
I'm hungry, bro.
Let's go, chow. Come on, just follow us.
And just like that, we got him. Getting home should be really easy.
We're not entirely sure because you're not gonna make it up that big thing there, right? But we took a different route to what we came back the first time.
Oh.
So we're just finding out how the fuck to do it.
Pretty much lost.
No, we're not lost.
We were definitely lost.
How did we do it the last time, bro? Oh, are you right?
No, let's just go back here and then we go around.
Wait, bro. We've gone up the wrong way. Folks, I've never been so lost.
By the way, I was the one that was meant to be guiding us home.
we just keep losing our way. Like, I've never consistently lost my way. It's might because I've had a few beers, but like, I'm literally lost myself so many times.
Mackay, we came past the same sign, so I'm like, Mackay, that sign looks very similar to one.
Yeah. Wait, so we need to be going the opposite direction.
My dyslexia strikes at the worst times possible.
We would have hit Namibia before we hit our friends.
No. Yeah, that's right.
That's kitchen.
This music.
Oh, yeah. Cooking.
Yes.
But we got global cuisine here, dog. How was that, Luke?
Why are you even cutting it, bro? Just cut it.
Time enough. Nah, that's good. That's good. That's decent. That's decent.
Fuck it. Your beers are gone. Are you okay? Where's the beers?
I caught myself.
Where's the
I'm
beers?
stressing about the beers.
They're gone.
They did.
Ooh, I see a little beer cooler right there.
Nature's freezer, guys.
No ice needed. Come on. Oh shit. Just one more. Here comes a big one. Fuck. Here comes a big. Oh.
Hey, you deserve that.
Oh. How does that taste?
Like victory.
I was with my favorite people with lots of space around me, fresh air, and waves hopefully coming in the morning. I was really feeling good again. But of course, I had to ruin the mood.
No, don't worry. It's a very small rip. Like, it's pretty chilled. It's just like a little rip at the top.
How do you repair it? It's
No, just some duct tape would actually be chilling, bro.
No, you don't even need that. I'm definitely sleeping in the car.
While re-pegging the front of the tent, I pulled it a little too hard and ripped the whole thing.
Now we'll be fine.
Look, like that, it's like basically closed.
We were probably going to freeze to death. So I grabbed some duct tape and gave it my best shot.
I don't know how you're so talented. It's really a game.
No, you know why actually it was, Hannah?
She had pegged the back of the tent too far back.
Because you pegged this thing like literally in another continent. If you hadn't pegged it in Asia, we could have pulled this thing forward and it would have gone liquor.
This is getting absolutely nowhere.
You know what, bro? Listen, you're the one sitting in the tent fucking talking shit. Oh my days, it's looking fine.
Look at that.
Look at that.
This is complete seal right there.
Yeah, it didn't really work. So we had to sleep like this.
Thing is this thing naturally slims your body down into the very end. So you're gonna wake up with a perfect carrot-shaped figure, my bro. Look at that. Can't ask anything better. Can't ask, honestly, anything better.
Honestly, I could have definitely asked for better, but I didn't care. All I wanted to do was find my dad's secret wave in the morning.
Breakfast of champions.
So we've tidied up lekker, left in a better condition than we found it, and I think we're gonna go see if we can actually find the waves now. They should be, hopefully the swell's picked up. Offshore, no wind, so the conditions are looking pretty good, so just smash it, bro. Are we keen to go, bro? Are we dancing?
I'm ready. I'm waiting for the intro.
Okay, come on, let's go, bro.
Roll the intro.
It was finally time to go find the wave. I brought everyone out here for this, and I was beyond excited. I was just stressing because the wind was meant to be picking up and would ruin the wave. So I really hope nothing goes wrong.
Oh, that fucked it.
Oh no.
Okay, now we've gone back on front.
Oh shit, that is bad.
Now look at this clearance, bro. Fuck.
But what's so funny is, like in one of our old videos, we got Ben's Fiesta, fucking the whole tire came off, we had to repair the tire.
I don't think that's supposed to be like that.
What's the problem?
I thought that was
Do you not see it's flat at the bottom?
This is just like a Fiesta and how to fix the Fiesta.
Luke, stop digging, dog. We need help. Okay, should we give it one go?
Yeah.
Is it neutral?
There's a rock there, neutral.
Is the handbrake off?
The handbrake is off.
Okay, let's go. Everyone, Luke,
What?
get in here.
2.
You need to be reversing, bro.
That thing's not moving one bit.
Loki should be the person.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, fine. And you move closer to the steering wheel. Is that in reverse?
1, 2, 3, go, driver. Yeah, no, stop. Yeah, no, we gotta get this out with your rope.
Come on, we can't get in there.
I'm not getting in there.
Like that. Oh, is this just to pull it through the
Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan.
Bro,
So just tie it.
you look like such a drug dealer right now.
No.
That must be
Like a drug dealer.
Oh.
Bro, I'm trying to help, bro. You're being very helpful, but it's fucking hilarious. You got this, girl.
No.
I wasn't expecting.
Okay, you ready?
Alright.
It's getting the GoPro out.
Okay.
Time to go.
How am I like fucking hoing it?
Go. Yes! Stop spinning.
Good job, Oaks. Good job.
Get your car.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Back on the road.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling it. It was looking like I dragged my friends all the way out here
You're good.
for nothing. Until
Get it right! You are joking.
holy shit, did I just find my dad's secret wave 40 years later? He's not sure what he should do. She's 17, he's 22. Is that too much of a difference? So instead, look what he's done. He's found a girl who's 31. Is that too much of a difference? She's got everything he wants. She's got everything he needs. Take her back, 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 take her back to her bed. She's got everything he wants. She's got everything he needs. Take her back, 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 take her back to her bed. She's got a mate who says behave, you're not too bad but twice your age. Does that really make any difference? He's had a few, we've all been there, just 17, but he don't care, I don't think he knows the difference. Cause she's got everything he wants, she's got everything he needs. Take her back, 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 take her back to her bed. She's got everything he wants, she's got everything he needs. Take her back, 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 take her back.
Dad. Yeah. I found the spot. Well, I found some spot. No, it's alright. And it's cooking. It's absolutely. I'm just literally watching wave right now. I just got out. That's such a fun set.
Can you believe it? 40 years later, the spot worked. Maybe Cape Town isn't so bad after all. Thanks, Dad.
Crazy, but you can see the moisture in the air. It focuses on the side. Look at this, bro.